Today, I'm sharing a recipe to make simple and delicious Vietnamese spring rolls and how to make the yummy dipping sauce. Start with Vietnamese rice paper wrapper. You can get it from any Asian market. Dip in the water and lay it flat. Just one simple dip. Make sure it's all wet. Romaine lettuce. Cooked vermicelli rice noodles. Shredded carrots. Shredded cucumber. Fresh cilantro. Fresh Thai basil leaves. Tie up the ingredients and roll with the rice paper. Fold it from the left, then fold it from the right. Now add 3 cooked medium or large shrimps. Roll it again. Here we go, 1 spring roll is done. Now let's make dipping sauce. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. Then add 1/3 cup of milk. You can adjust the amount of milk based on how thick you want the sauce. Stir and blend it well. At last, sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now ready to serve. Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to see more and check out other recipes.